If you're currently traveling with your Casio G-Shock and want to change the time zone, what you will need to do is to reach the world time right over here. You do that by pressing on the mode button until you reach the world time. Actually, as you can see, I'm on the New York time zone, which is the closest city. But if I want to move, for example, to London, I will need to press the start button until I reach London. So that was the universal time clock, and this is London. So I can see that here, this is still 8:10. But if I want to move to London, what I will need to do is to press and hold the reset button. You see the swap? All right. I can now see on the lower window that it's 2010 over here, and I'm moving the end to the London time. So they are keep moving, and now if I go back to the main page, I can see the London time. Now if I want to go back to my New York City time, go back to that page. I'm already on New York City, and I can press and hold the reset button to swap back to New York City. So that was easy as that. I hope this video was helpful.